Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you how to do a math operators. So what is that example? So in this programming we have an operator like plus, minus, divide, module, multiply. Okay, for the example I have integers. For who don't know what this integer is, you can check my previous video. I've already tell everything about it. Integers, numbers equal 20 and integers numbers 2 equal 30. And what we're gonna do, just do an operators. For the example, we can type some print numbers plus numbers 2. If we print this, that will show in a hello world and 50. Why like that? Because the 20 and the variables numbers, will editing this, we can do another things like minus, and the result is minus 10, minus, plus, and the module 2. For the another tricks, I have an example. If we have this variables numbers and these variable numbers, and we want to edit the result into a variable, just create an integer result, and the result is, we can type here numbers plus numbers 2. And if we print this result, that will be showing the result. Okay guys, I think that's pretty enough to explain what is arithmetic operator is. See you in the next video.